What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, before I start this video, I would like to wish you a very happy Diwali for all the viewers over here. And may the glow of the diyas brighten your heart, your home and your life guys. So regarding about the Diwali day, here I would like to share you how to transform this selfie photo to become this stunning makeup look about the Diwali guys. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a beautiful woman who is taking a selfie, and after using the special prompt, this woman can be totally changed into the Diwali look and also wearing the sari, and also I'm totally in love with this look guys. As you can see, the makeup look is very subtle but also glam or the soft glam, and also the accessories for celebrating the Diwali day guys. How to create this transformation? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform or another AI, it is very okay guys, and you can go with it. And I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation guys. And if you would like to access it here via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the homepage guys. And you can simply scroll down and click this try Nano banana, and after that you can upload the file, for example this one. And after that I will put the prompt into this section, and you can start to give this prompt a screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box that I put there. Basically the prompt would be like this: change this photo to be a full body of a short woman in a vibrant red and green traditional Indian sari adorned with intricate gold jewelry including the necklace, earrings, bangles and a nose ring. So this like the jewelry, and also she is holding the diya or the oil lamp in her hands, positioned at chest level. And also her makeup is festive with the bindi on her forehead and also a soft glowing complexion like this. Oh, I totally love this look guys. And also the background is warm celebratory Diwali setting with the blurred string lights and a traditional rangoli pattern visible. And also the lighting is soft and ambient, emphasizing the glow of the diya. This one I guess. And also maintain the original facial features of this woman to become this one. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here guys. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before. However, you can also have the different output by using the same prompt, and you can simply check it out over here. And also the length of the generation process also depends on the complexity of your prompt in this section. So this is the another result like this. Still always beautiful, and if you like it then you can continue to download it and it will be ready to be posted in your social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Happy Diwali guys. Bye bye.